Hi, welcome back. This is the strategy as we are doing here at the class. So we have been discussing that how till today how much topics have been discussed here. A lot of you can see about how the starting of our NGO. We can say this is the organization started in which we haven't started the classes and made some plans of the classes that we were 2010, 12, 13, 14. These are the long duration we have been passed there. So these are the studies and based. These are the topics which are we have been taken about the different topics we have been discussed with you. So this is the way how we are doing the classes, right? So we haven't taken the very big initiative to make the thing very clear. So that's why we taught here the 6A and 6A or somewhere point. It means the dedication towards the study we are doing very much, and we are enduring the things doing very clearly that the people could understand very easily and enhance the knowledge, right? So the concept we are making clear and trying to focus on all these things which are very important based on the studies, so people can really understand and can believe on this because of samja.com is a very popular and very good name that promotes the people and gets the knowledge based on their studies. Even we have the blog that is the TabletSchool is very popular. So here we can see the people are getting the knowledge and they got all of knowledge based on the computer as well as the topic of studies on English communication. That's why we are getting endurance, and there are different topics have been discussed till now. So these all topics are really important for the people because of their studies based work, and their knowledge on these topics are really to be cleared, and they should focus on the studies. So a lot of work we have been done till today. You can watch out here and you can see how much we are faster we are doing the work and how much better we are trying, because all things are very clearly, and you can not only just videos are there, you can check out under there's when you run it you will listen the knowledge and you will see that very deep work is done. So definitely you must focus on that because these topics are not so easily to enhance, so that you have to try to go forward and check out these all videos how they are. Even the playlist we have taken under which we are just going to focus on all the topics which are really important for studies. So we can check out the tricks and Visual Studio C#, interactive English learning communication, Blogger, DOS, English, Photoshop, Laravel, PHP, accounting, PowerPoint, MS Word, C, C++, PageMaker, or that of the reasoning math questions also are here. Now MS Excel, VisualStudio.net, Access. These are the topics, but more than that we have been worked together with the different videos that you can see out here, which is very bright and very expanded work, so people can enhance the knowledge. Even then we have the website that which is samja.com is a very popular website under which you have the topics that being discussed and a lot of knowledge we are going to explore. So you can get easily and enhance the knowledge when you come here and check out the things very clearly. You can check out even our pages, even that we have worked with the different tool programs, quiz competition, like these things. So this is the way the boost of, I can think that the people once they get in touch of these things and get the knowledge on these topics are very clearly, they can even comment and can tell us. But till today I think it's very good work done with the people, and people are just getting and appreciating the things very clearly. That's why I would like to go back and think about that how people are going to endure with us and they can enjoy the classes. Thank you. Good day.